In today's episode, I am decorating my fireplace. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, and this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now I'm excited about today's episode because this is my annual Winter Fireplace Decor Challenge23. Now I've been doing this now for 6 years, I believe, and my host for this one is Jill at Jill Styles and Jessica at Jessica Rose. Now all we ask you to do is to decorate your fireplace for Christmas. And I added a twist this year, and the twist will be to include an angel. So I'm going to stop talking and let you see me decorate my fireplace. And don't forget to check out the ladies' channels. They'll be listed in my description, and also a playlist for all the other participants. Now here's the final look. Now I have the two reindeers looking at the star. It's supposed to represent the star of showing where Jesus was born. I also have the star placed over the snowman. And I thought the snowman came out really pretty. And then I added this silver bow to the front of the garland. Now this garland I purchased at Walmart a few years back, and the reindeers, they came from Hobby Lobby, and the star was thrifted. It was my mom's, and now I have it. Now the snowmen, they were thrifted, and the star itself, it came from my sister. Now the white crystal snow trees, they were thrifted, and the angel, he was also thrifted. Well, I purchased that off of eBay. Now the lights, I got them at Walmart years ago, so there's nothing on here that is per se brand new. It's the only thing I think is different that it's not mine, is the star from my sister's. But I think overall the fireplace came out really pretty. The garland, I think next year I need to buy some more garland. I think I'm gonna hit that after Christmas sale. But I think the garland and the whole overlook of the fireplace came out really well, simple and to the point, and going along with my snowman theme that I'm having in my home this year. So let me know what you think of my theme of my fireplace down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.